Hello everyone, it's Shamari Kids and Real Fan and Munipals R32 J Train with another video today. And, right here we have a J Train Munipals. If I have a pencil or something like that, I actually have 7 minutes 38 seconds to go, which is one of my most times. I only got my headphones. I don't even know why I saw the thing right here. First, let's just pull out our, ew, gosh. They're doing so much stuff here, I'm not real fanny. I only got my headphones to take this out with the stupid wire. Oh, found a pencil under my brother's bed, because you know, mess under there. I'm not able to use the flashlight because the battery power is low. Yeah. So we got the J train and the Z train to take out. So as we all know, J train recently just converted to the J and the Z train just recently converted to R32 by Munipals. Yeah, the reason why the Z train was actually out of stock is because there were some problems with the filter issue by the painting. Because I remember I was watching Subby Fan 2 on this video and a couple other people. The flag was reversed. I think that the Z was reversed. I'm not sure though. The MTA was reversed. Lots of things were reversed with the filter. And for the J train, that's kind of old, R160 model. Yeah, they just changed it to R32, as it's also said at the top. Yeah. If I can just like bring the light down or something like that, that would kind of help because, gosh, why? It's just like Casper doing this. You see how scary this is? Jesus, I'm not even holding the light. Yeah, sorry about that. Here is where I keep all my boxes at for purpose. God, I can never keep anything. God. Yeah, but Casper's in here again because the lights just like flickering like that. Yeah, here's where I keep all my boxes at. In this bag, only for specific reasons, because I also have to hide those with my siblings. So yeah, and there's already a hole damaging at the bottom, so I wouldn't need a new bag now, or a new way instead of a bag. Anyway, let's get straight to the unboxing part, and let's open up this J train. Open up, kitty boy. Yeah, open up. That's what I thought. Open up. It ain't going nowhere. It's just the J train. Look at that. R32 J train. The darkness. Like, put it like right here. R32 J train. Confirmed. Kinda have to dump it out because no. I thought there was no paper in here. It's just stuck in the box for some reason. Stupid thing screwed up this thing. Yeah, stations, Midtown Manhattan subway set, that's what the stations is. We also got the toll paper that you can read if you want to, because I'm not going to spend time. Yeah, I got 7 minutes 38 seconds, gosh. 7 minutes 38 seconds for this video. So, I don't really have to worry. So we have subway, bus, train, Midtown Manhattan subway set. 1 train 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, R1887, A, B, C, D, E, F, gosh, where is, oh, there's the E. Hold on, I'm gonna have to straighten this out because, I'm gonna restart, I'm gonna have to straighten this out because, you know how this thing is, it's like really bendy when you actually get it. Yeah, I can also see that this is not updated yet because this is still subway, bus, train. Yeah. 1 train, 2 train, 3 train, 4 train, 5 train, 6 train, 7 train, and then the Midtown Manhattan subway set, which it says that it's new, but that's the third newest thing that actually came out. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then the Munipals RTS 06, J, L, M, N, look at that, R160 J train, L, M, N, Q, R, missing W train, S, Orion 7, Z train, that's Staten Island Railway, Metro North Long Island Railway. Orange 222, which we obviously know that the stations, which that's 3 reasons ago. Purple, orange, red, brown, blue, CTA bus, green line, pink line, Garage Avenue trolley, and Market Frankfurt. Silver 5, ALP 46 locomotive, Common 5, and multi-level. So yeah, pretty much nothing changed, but I'm going to put this back in the box and then put the box back in the bag. Same with my last unboxing video. Yeah, so now we have 2 J trains, both Nassau Street Express, but different models. And yeah, this is not custom. Go to the Transfer Museum store or Munipals store website. If you want to find where those are at, go to www.transfermuseumstore.com or www.munipals.com. And yeah, if you need help how to spell Munipals, it's also right here. It says MUNIPALS. I'll put a link in the description for both of the websites. And yeah, also there's a Transfer Museum store, 2 places. One in Brooklyn on Skimmerhorn Street, and I forgot what that huge other street was. Looks like a highway. And that's where you can also see the Nug Stoller trains, the vintage train parade. I think I was at the Transfer Museum today. They said it starts like around like 10 a.m. I think. And then there's one at Grand Central, which yeah, that's where they have the train show at. Not the real train show, the little vintage. They have the R17, like the MTHO scale trains. That's what I was trying to think of. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. We all have... Wait. It still says Nassau Street Express. I'm kind of wondering why that says, though. It's probably just because of the M train, which is actually 6th Avenue loco. But also, I'm not sure why it still says Nassau. It should say Broadway. Well, not Broadway, but like... it shouldn't really say like Broadway or something like that. But since the J train does go via Broadway, then it should say something else. But Nassau, that's pretty much a good way to say it. I wish it had the Broad M train, which was Nassau Street loco, so then it can perfectly fit in here. But yeah. Anyway, enough with the talking. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, aka like, and comment down what you think of this unboxing video. And comment down what you think that Munipals should make next, if you want to, and subscribe. Thank you.